So for this project, we will be using a 5.5mm crochet hook, and the yarn is Karen Simply Soft. The first thing we need to do is slip stitch. Chain 2. Slip stitch into the first one. Chain 2. Find your center, and then you need to single crochet 6. Slip stitch into the first one. Chain 3. And then double crochet by 1 in each one of these. Slip stitch into the first one. Chain 3. Front double crochet in here. Double crochet in here. Front double crochet in here. Double crochet in here. And continue to do that for the entire row. Slip stitch into the third chain of the first post. Chain 3. Front double crochet in the front double crochet. And then back double crochet into the next one. Front double crochet. Then back double crochet. Okay guys, so after you finish 10 rows from the beginning, it's time to switch the yarn. You will go into the front double crochet, put the white yarn through it, slip stitch, and then you will continue to crochet with the white yarn. So you will only front double crochet. You will skip the back double crochet entirely. And then we will slip stitch into the third chain of the first post. Now we will switch the yarn back to green. One, two, three. And then we will front double crochet in each one. Slip stitch into the third chain of the first post. This is how the finished mitten will look like. So you need to expand your last stitch, put your work through it, pull it through, cut the yarn and lose the ends. So this is a hat, and this is the mitten.